Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, Shannon, and myself. Daisy and Tracy are taking a temporary break, but I will still have all the Mini Kit Monday ladies links listed below because you never know when when Daisy or Tracy may just create a layout and pop in and surprise us. So I want to make sure that you have their links to their channels so that you can go peek in on their channel to see if they're creating anything. I am the host for the month of January. I am kicking off 2021 with this awesome mood inspiration board plus 9 sketches. All right, I am going to show you my kit, and as usual, I do not include my alphas because I just never know what I am feeling for a title until I have completed a layout. However it works for you, I do encourage you, if you have to step away from your desk to select your embellishments, to go ahead and do your best to grab all that you need to create at least 3 layouts. We would love for you to participate over at our Facebook group site. Like I said, I will have the link listed below. If you play along, please snap a photograph of your kit and then each layout that you create and upload it to the January album over there at our Facebook group. And at the end of the month, I will select a winner and they will receive either a curated kit or a gift card. This time I will let the winner select what they would like to receive. All right, without further ado, let me show you my page kits within my kit. I have not pre-selected any photographs, or I have not decided of the 9 sketches which ones I shall use, but I will be selecting 3 sketches from the 9 to create my layouts and document my memories. So here is the first page kit, and I am playing off the gray in that mood inspiration board, the white, and that mint or aqua, and this does read more aqua. This scrap paper is from Cocoa Vanilla, the Legendary. This paper is from the Legendary, and this white with the gray tiny little triangles is from the Legendary collection. And then this tone on tone gray, and it may be reading black to you, or it could possibly be reading brown, but it is a gray, and this is from Doodlebug Design, and it's called Petite Prince. Then for my embellishments, I have the Legendary clear stickers and then some embellishment pieces from the Legendary, which is this wolf one, this compass, Stay Wild, this mountain scene, this round die cut. Then from my stash, which just goes really well with this Legendary, this is more of a little bit of a cream base, but it will work. It's not too creamy, not too yellow in the tone. It has more of that beige undertone. 3x4 card. I have this snowman if I decide to do an outdoor photo, and I can ink him up. And then I have these snowflakes that come from Close to My Heart. And I just stuck these miscellaneous embellishments in here. As you can tell, I don't have my alphas. Like I said, I just can't seem to pre-pick those ahead of time. But to the right of me on my small tiny corner desk that I work from, I do have my ink pads, my sprays, my Nuvo drops. They're right here, so I do not have to go to another container or walk away from my desk to use those items, so that's why I don't put them in my kit. And it makes it less bulky. And then I just place all of this like in a like file folder that sits up. And it sits on a little tiny homemade bookshelf that my husband made for me that holds my papers and my alphas. That's right to the left of me. Page kit number 2. All right, so here I am playing off the dark blues in there, and I'm throwing in this purple, right? And mauve goes towards kind of, you know, you could go purple. People would sometimes go towards purple for mauve, even though it's really more of a deep red pink option, but I'm just showing you. You can veer off a little bit. So isn't this gorgeous right here? And I think all these papers here are Vicki Boutin. They are. So, oh, they're not. I apologize. So this paper here is Vicki Boutin from her new collection, Storyline. This one here is from Dear Lizzie, Here and Now. And I picked it for this side. Isn't that gorgeous together? And then to add a pop of color, I could actually use this side. This is a scrap from Vicki Boutin, but I'm thinking I want to go this way. All right, from the Storyline of Vicki Boutin, these are the embellishments that I selected. And I will not use all these. I just didn't know which direction. I could do a night photograph or something about reading. She's famous for her birds. I'm learning to embrace those, and that means use them. I used to never ever use a bird. Her large embellishments I love to use. That has never bothered me. Her big flowers and butterflies, and I mean, I could use those all day long. But the birds, but I'm doing it. I have this card. I don't know what the number 7, it may not mean anything. I'm just playing off the colors within the mood inspiration. That gray color, you could go towards black. And then this open book, so I could do a photograph of my little guy. I don't know if I have any recent ones of him reading. He is a reader. He reads every single night. So those are the embellishments. Then for stickers, I have these puffy stickers from Indigo Hills, number 2 from Pink Fresh Studio. Again, look at, that's definitely, oops, you're probably getting a glare. Let me take them out of the package. Okay. That definitely reads mauve, but can go towards blue. See, look here off, or purple. I'm saying here it reads mauve. You place it against purple, it reads kind of purple. Seize the Day. So this is awesome. I may end up using a lot of those on this layout. Who knows? So you notice in the first one, my layout focused on the clear stickers. This one is the puffy stickers, and that's the idea. Use up your stash. Make each kit where you're using different types of embellishments and textures and weight. All right, for page kit 3, here we're really going in with the mauves and the pinks. So I have just a plain cardstock here, beautiful pinkish, and you could go towards mauve. Okay, so we have a cardstock, another Vicki Boutin paper, and this is from the Storyline collection, and paired it with Maggie Holmes Heritage. That is just going to be a fabulous layout right there. And then look at this, Cocoa Vanilla Happiness. So we have card stickers. Look at this, goes perfect. See what we talk about? You can mix and match collections. I'm telling you, look at this. this all goes together, and we have 3 different lines here. And then these are clear stickers, and then I have a few embellishments, die cuts, I should say. So we have these, and these are all of these are from the Cocoa Vanilla. Awesome, right? Oh, I'm so happy. I love it when I have choices and a variety with these that I can choose different types of photographs to document memories. All right, now I also had this little bit left of the from Vicky Bouton, the kaleidoscope, and I thought these words I could get used up. The black would go great, the pink, this fun purpley blue color right here. And then for some extra tucking of embellishments, I have the Vicky Bouton storyline here. So I think there's several colors. I know you may be getting a glare. I haven't even opened up this package, but here's some of that mauve color there. Maroon color. Like I said, the inspiration board, you can go with the maroon or mauve colors. So anyway, I thought this would be perfect. See, there's a lot of those colors in there. All right, that is my kit for January. Please play along. Go check us out over on the Facebook group site. I'm telling you, there are fabulous members over there that create some awesome layouts, and they inspire us. They may not do YouTube videos, but they definitely have fun with us over there at our Facebook group site. All right, keep coming back. Don't forget to check out the other ladies. Their links are listed below. Give us a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to our channel so that they're people that you and I don't know can come get inspired. All right, because that's what it's all about, documenting those memories, right? We'll see you next time, or next Monday for sure. Bye.